In this video, how to get travel insurance on Revolut. I will show you step by step how to get travel insurance on Revolut using your phone. First, open the Revolut app on your mobile phone. Log into your account using your email, password, or biometrics. After logging in, go to the home screen of the app. Now, tap the tab called Hub or Lifestyle. Inside this section, look for the option called Insurance. Tap Insurance to see available insurance options. Now select the Travel Insurance option. The app will show details about the coverage. Read the information about what is included. Check items such as trip cancellation or medical emergencies. Now tap the button to continue. Enter your travel dates correctly. Type the destination of your trip. Review the coverage details provided. The app will show the price of the travel insurance. Review all information before confirming. Now tap Confirm or Get Insurance. The insurance will be activated for your trip. You can view the policy inside the app. This is how you can get travel insurance on Revolut using your phone easily.